Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here, and today I've got an empties video for you. Yeah, I thought I would show you some of the empties. I haven't done one of these for a while, to be honest. I don't know why, I just haven't. I have a bag that's probably half full of bits and bobs. So I'll just delve in and I will show you exactly what I've got. Okay, so the first thing is the apple pie bubble bath from Avon. Oh, it is lovely. I mean, their bubble baths are brilliant. You get the really lovely bubbles. They don't disappear quickly. They certainly don't dry your skin out or anything like that. And they don't irritate. Well, they don't irritate me. And I can be quite sensitive to a lot of bubble baths, but this one is fine. And it's in apple pie, as I've said. It smells amazing. I can still smell it. It really does smell like a Bramley apple pie. Very cheap. I think they're about £2.50 for a litre. I mean, amazing. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you are, it's an empty, of course, and this is the Hair Burst Chewable Hair Vitamins. So they're like little gummies. I've got through a few of these. I haven't got any on the go at the moment. I mean, they're not the cheapest, but, you know, vitamins, that type of thing, are, you know, it's quite expensive. But they are so good. I mean, it's very hard not to have any more than just 2 a day, because they're like just lovely little sweeties, you know. You feel like you're definitely having a sweet when you have these. Did they work? I think so. I definitely think they helped with my nails and with my hair. But yeah, I'm not taking them at the moment. I will start to use them again, but sort of price wise at the moment, I'm just sort of leaving it be. That's another one that is empty. There's a lot of Avon in here. I just love Avon right now. I'm loving it. So this is the Advanced Techniques Miracle Densify conditioner, and it is really good. It's for fuller and to thicker looking hair. So it does say that it will give you a, you know, a fuller, thicker head of hair, and it does. It really is quite nice. I mean, obviously it's not going to sort of dramatically change you or me, but it does definitely help. Another one, again Avon, and this is the Orange Twist shower gel. It's orange and jasmine scent, 500 ml, and it's from the Avon Senses range. Again, oh gosh, it smells beautiful. Really citrus. Oh gosh, it's so citrus. It's lovely. It's one of those that really kind of invigorates you and wakes you up. I mean, I wouldn't use that at night time. It's definitely a morning one. Again, another one by Avon. This is Avon Senses, and it's the Moon Milk collection, and it's irresistible coconut milk and raspberry rich shower gel. Luxurious moisture, 400 ml in here. Can't remember how much it was, about £2 I think. They're just so reasonably priced, and it was lovely. Oh, it has that wonderful, almost like that, like coconut milk, shea butter, and then you've got like a little hint of raspberry in it. It smells like, you could just imagine all of those ingredients on top of a meringue with some cream. That's what it smells like. It's beautiful. And it was a cream. It wasn't like a gel. It was a cream. And it was so, so soothing. And it didn't dry my skin out at all. Okay, next one. Deodorant. This is a Sure deodorant, 48-hour hydration antiperspirant in the bright bouquet, and it's good. It really is good. I do like a Sure deodorant. They kind of, for me, deliver what they say on the tin. And here we go, I've got the partner now for the conditioner. So this is the Empties of the Advanced Techniques Miracle Densify Shampoo. So obviously they go together really nicely. They work really well together. So love those two. This was Chris's. He's finished using it up. You know when you tend to have like lots of little bits, don't you? You have like half bottles or quarter bottles, and then you think, oh, I don't want that fragrance today, so you start on another one, and then you end up with lots of sort of bits, which is why I think I haven't done an Empties in so long, because I've been using a bit of this and a bit of that. But this was Chris's, and it's the Next Signature Tonic cooling hair and body wash, and it smells lovely. I absolutely love it. It's got that cool, sort of that cool masculine smell to it. It's so nice, and the whole range of this is beautiful. Next I've got two of these. So these are by Rituals, and these are the shower foams. So they're really small. I mean, they are quite small. How much is in it? Let me put the glasses on. So there is 50 mils in here. It's Lotus and White Tea fragrance. It's beautiful. Still have a couple of these left. They are tiny, but they go a long way, because literally, I don't know if I'll be able to get tiny. Sometimes you get a little bit left, don't you? Oh, just going to get a little tiny dribble of that. But it really sort of goes a long way. So it comes out. I wonder if there's any left in this one to show you. No, I've made a good job of using them up. But it does go on as like almost like a liquidy foam, but without the foam, if you know what I mean. And then the minute you sort of touch it, it spreads, it expands. If you can imagine like a shaving foam, it's very similar to that effect. It smells amazing, and I'm so pleased I've still got two of those to go. Two more things left now, guys, that's all. Okay, so this is a mascara by Avon, and it's the 5-in-1 Lash Genius Mascara. I'll show you what the brush is like. So that's what the brush is like. Absolutely hate it. I mean, it was like people were raving over it. Avon was saying it's amazing. Lots of people are saying it's incredible, and it may be for them, but for me it wasn't. I really did not like it. It didn't do anything for my lashes. All the promises it makes, it didn't deliver for me. No, it just sort of put a bit of black mascara on my lashes, and that was it. So I would never buy that one again. And then finally I have a Glide On eye pencil by Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the colour Riot. So it goes on and applies to the hand very, very easily. And I really love the colour and the way it feels on my hand. When I try to put this on my eyes, it doesn't do anything. It really, I have to really, if I just try to show you, if I try to do just sort of like the lash line here, I have to go really hard for it to do anything. And when I've tried to do the waterline sort of under the top lid, or this one, it kind of, you have to do it so hard, and it still doesn't really deliver any sort of pigment to it. So I don't like it. So that's going to go. And that's it, my lovelies. That's everything I got really to show you from this Empties. I think next one may be bigger, because I have a lot more that I'm near to using up to be able to show you. But basically this absolutely is just all kind of like shower bath products, apart from 2 items. So would I buy again? The apple pie bubble bath, absolutely, in a heartbeat. Sure deodorant, absolutely, love the stuff. The Avon Advanced Techniques shampoo and conditioner, definitely. The Avon Senses Orange Twist Shower Gel, yep. This, in a heartbeat, the Irresistible Coconut Milk and Raspberry Shower Cream, love, love. The Rituals Shower Foam, definitely, love the stuff. I know Chris would use the next Signature Tonic Cooling Shower Gel, would use that again. These, the Hair Burst ones, the vitamins, I will buy again at some point. Up until now I've been using a discount code. I don't know if that's still relevant. If it is, I might have a look to see if I can use a discount code. I might then be tempted, but other than that, I'm just going to wait. Mascara by Avon is a no-no, and the Urban Decay eye pencil, it's a shame because it's a really nice colour. I like the colour. However, the application's rubbish. And that is everything. Yeah, everything that I've got to show you. So we'll be getting rid of all this lot now. Empty it, ready to fill for the next lot. If you are interested in any of the Avon products, then if you wanted to go down to the description box in this video and just look for the little more, press on more, and link down there is my little Avon shop, because I have got an online Avon shop. So if you wanted to just check it out, or you wanted to sort of see more in depth about the products, then please feel free to do so. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It's been very short, I know, a nice short and quick one for you, but I just wanted to get all of these empties. I could have waited, I know, I could have waited to get some more, but I thought, you know what, get them out of the way. I need to get rid of them, and then I can just start putting all the next lot back in. So for now, take care everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have, and if you want to see any more of my videos. Talk to you soon, my lovelies. Take care. Bye. Bye.